Imagine you are traveling at 150 miles per hour toward a pitching deck in the middle of a moonless ocean. Your life depends on seeing a single cluster of lights, the meatball, to guide you home. But as you look through your $400,000 helmet, the world vanishes. You aren't blind, but you might as well be. This is the F-35 Lightning II, the most expensive weapon system in human history. And for years, its greatest feature was also its most dangerous flaw, a glitch known simply as the green glow. To understand the failure, we first have to understand the logic. In a traditional fighter, you have a head-up display, or HUD, a fixed piece of glass on the dashboard. The F-35 deleted the HUD. Instead, it uses the helmet-mounted display system. It's designed to give the pilot God sight, the ability to look through the floor of their own jet using 6 infrared cameras. But the engineers at the start of the program made a choice that seemed logical at the time. They chose LCD technology for the visor. Here is the mechanical logic error. An LCD works by using a permanent backlight. To show the color black, the liquid crystals try to block that light. But in the vacuum of a pitch-black night, LCDs aren't 100% opaque. Light leaks through. This light leakage created a persistent green haze across the pilot's entire field of vision. It's like trying to drive a car at night with the interior dome light turned on. For Navy pilots landing on a dark boat, the green glow washed out the faint lights of the runway. The very technology meant to save them was now hiding the ground. The fix wasn't a simple software update. They tried dimming the brightness, but the physics of LCD meant the glow never truly went away. The solution was to switch to OLED, organic light-emitting diodes. Unlike LCD, OLED pixels don't use a backlight. They create their own light. When an OLED pixel wants to show black, it simply turns off. Total darkness, no leakage, no glow. Swapping the tech cost millions, but it finally allowed the F-35 to see the world as it actually is. The green glow is a reminder that in advanced engineering, the most expensive systems are often brought down by the most basic physics. If you don't respect the light will eventually blind you. This is MechLogic.